Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got these little pieces off right here. They actually had screws, 2 screws at the bottom of here to hold them in right here. So put those to the side and let's see if we can get this thing in. Now that we got those are the main 2 components that was holding this thing, holding it in from going. And then I gotta pop let me see if I can let this thing down. Okay, see if we can get this thing in here this time. Okay. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, a little nervous. Now you see, I am. I don't want to bend this thing. I don't want to twist it. I don't want to break it. Just want to get it in, you see. Okay, get that up. Okay. No. That's not it. Come on, no. Don't start bending. Come on. We gotta. Start bending on me. Okay. There you have it, guys. That thing is up. Now let's put these pieces back on. Let's put these pieces back on. So they can help hold it up also. Slide it in like so. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, we're not ready. Okay, now we're there. Put the screws in. Go. One side is down. Let's see if we can get this in. Whoa. We'll get to that later. Let's see, over here, still kind of hanging, but we should get that. You'll see. Okay. Got it. This one need cleaning. It's a little black. Just a little side rail right here. Okay. Got it up. Let's tighten these screws. Don't have to be crazy tight. It is plastic. Don't want to break anything. So don't have to be crazy tight. Tightening. Don't need to be crazy tight. Like I said. Okay. Gotta put these back on. This one can easily get popped back on. Okay. Don't know how long we got. I think we got a good bit of time still. I think. This one right here. Let's see. Man, I'm gonna get that. I'll pop that in. Oh, Lord. All right. All right, guys. We are done with that. Let me see if I can get a good shot at this. Oh, I'm gonna lay back because my back is hurting. Okay, guys. Now you see it. Headliner's in. I got these pieces. I definitely have these. Yeah, that goes there. The one that goes over there, I don't know what that is. But I got these pieces as the visors. Yeah, I got those. Matter of fact, they're in the back seat. They're in the back seat. So, but one thing I don't have that I should have are the screws. I usually keep the screws already screwed in. So I don't know what I did with the screws. I don't know. But as y'all see, we are moving along. Let's see. I would say that goes, plug everything where it needs to go. That goes there. And that goes there. And this one goes there. So when we get the dash back in, and when those plugs go right into here. Yeah. Let's get this side. We don't really have screws for this side. I think these go like that, but crap, even that one's broken. So, but, and tape will go around this one. But guess what? We're gonna make it do what it do. Put that back there like that. Put this like that. Put this one back under there like that. On top like that. Plugging into the wires that come out of the dash, and we'll be good. Plug those back into the plugs in the back, and that's all she wrote. That is all she wrote. Looking more and more like a car. Looking more and more. Better and better. Okay, there you have it. Now we got to put this door back on here. Once we do that, see, it's looking better already, guys. Now, only thing we gotta do is put this dash in, and it's time, but it ain't time. We gotta still figure if those the screws to go on that brake booster or not. Gotta still see if those go there or not. If they do, we're gonna finish. We're gonna have to take them back off. Then we're gonna put the brake booster on there, like so. Have to put it on there just like that. All right. Tighten it down, and then I think I'm gonna wire the dash up out here with the new dash wire harness. I'm gonna wire that out here, wire everything up out here. Then we gotta go under the hood and try to put all that stuff back together, and then troubleshooting and everything with those wires and getting everything straight and getting it going. But this is what we really need. This, you hear that? This is junk, but this is what we need. A new engine computer, so we can program it and everything. Program it to everything. That's going to be our problem right there. Right there. That's going to be our problem. If we can get that going good, working good, guess what? This car be on the road. It'll be driving again. Looking a heck of a lot better than it used to look. Let's see. Might have to get us this may have to be the thumbnail. Okay, that might be it. And or this, but I like the other one better. Yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. We're growing at a very, very slow pace. I need you guys' help. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get up there. Let's get up there, man. Let's get up there. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.